Hangul has writing order.
Okay.
That is always
Top to bottom. Yeah.
top to bottom.
Mm.
And then left to right.
Okay.
Top to bottom, left to right. So, as you see, let's practice ah. Can you see?
Mm.
Ah,
Ah.
ah,
Ah.
like that.
Ah.
1, 2. And ya is
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Top to bottom, left to right, and also left to right. So, yeah.
Yeah.
All is,
But this one is different. The next one is different.
yes. All is, because left is first. Left, all left to right, and top to bottom.
Okay. All.
Yeah, you're also left to right, top to bottom.
Okay.
No.
Oh.
This way.
1, 2, 3.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
And then
And
this
then,
one is top to bottom, left to right.
yes, yes.
2.
So, O also top to bottom, left to right. You also top to bottom, left to right. And U also left to right, top to bottom. You also left to right, top to bottom,
If it's that line on the bottom of the two lines going down, why is that one then I think it's O. Why does that one go top to bottom and then left to right? But when you flip it the other way and it's ooh, it goes left to right, top to bottom.
Very good question. Because when Hangul made that time, actually, we write down top to bottom.
Okay.
Yeah. For example, 한글, like that. As you know, the Chinese also, at that time, top to bottom, like that. So that way, so because that's why the final consonant and then the first consonant and vowel and consonant, it's easy to wait, to keep writing.
To just go.
Yes, go down way.
Okay.
If you write down. Yes. So as you know, the English has the curves, right? That is just connect next easily, right?
Yeah.
That's why left to right, every letters, right? But Chinese character and Hangul, then you know that the Japanese also at that time, top to bottom way.
Okay.
That way. So only after actually in my age until 1970, so many book and even newspaper was this way.
Okay, you read it from the top of the page to the bottom of the page vertically, not across, but just vertically. Okay.
Right. But after that, after 70s, go there, and then the modern time, we use it the left to right, the way, the right writing way.
Okay.
So that's why if you think o, yo, 우, if you write down, it's too easy write down to vertical way. But if you as you point like that, 오, 요, 우, it's not easy, and it's not comfortable. So natural way, and Chinese character also like that, left to right, the Chinese character also, that's very complicated, but still the top to bottom and left to right, that's the like the order, or that's the way.
Okay.
At that
So,
time.
but when there's this yung there, then do you do the yung first? When
Yes.
it's there? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Yes. Yung first.
Yung.
Mm-hmm.
Yung.
Yung first. Right. So the order is like this. So it's more easy and a very economic way to save your energy. Yes, that's why.